Africa is a continent brimming with potential, often stifled by challenges imposed from outside. But a new generation of innovators is rising, determined to chart a different course. Meet Fed, a brilliant inventor hailing from the heart of Africa. Fed isn't waiting for handouts or validation from the West. He's on a mission to empower Africa through self-reliance and groundbreaking technology. His latest invention, a self-powered electric stove poised to revolutionize energy consumption across the continent. Fed's story is one of audacity and hope. He's a testament to the untapped ingenuity thriving in Africa, waiting for the right opportunity to blossom. His journey is a powerful reminder that solutions to Africa's challenges will come from within. Fed's invention isn't just about a stove, it's about reclaiming the narrative of progress and writing a new chapter for Africa. This isn't just about technology, it's deeply personal for Fed. His self-powered stove is a direct response to these challenges, a beacon of hope for a brighter future. It's a future where energy independence empowers individuals, strengthens communities, and fuels economic growth. Imagine a world where cooking doesn't come with a dreaded electricity bill. That's the reality Fed is creating with his revolutionary self-powered electric stove. This isn't your average kitchen appliance, it's a marvel of engineering meticulously designed to generate its own energy. At the heart of this invention lies a clever combination of thermoelectric generators and a safe, contained nuclear power source. The stove's operation is surprisingly straightforward. The nuclear component, safely housed within a shielded core, generates a consistent heat source. This heat is then harnessed by the thermoelectric generators, which directly convert thermal energy into usable electricity. The stove essentially powers itself, eliminating the need for external power sources or reliance on unreliable grids. He incorporated both natural and forced air cooling systems into the design, ensuring optimal performance and safety. The result? A reliable, self-sustaining energy source capable of powering a household stove without generating harmful emissions. Fed's commitment to transparency underscores his desire to empower others and drive collective progress. To fully grasp the brilliance of Fed's invention, we need to delve into the science behind it. Two key technologies take center stage: thermoelectricity and nuclear power. While these might seem complex, the principles are surprisingly simple. Thermoelectricity at its core is about converting heat into electricity. Think of it as harnessing the energy of temperature differences. In Fed's stove, thermoelectric generators act as mini power plants, capturing the heat generated by the nuclear core and transforming it into a steady flow of electricity. These generators utilize the Seebeck effect, a phenomenon where a temperature difference across certain materials creates an electrical voltage. The greater the temperature difference, the more electricity is generated. He employs a highly controlled and miniaturized nuclear source, safely encased within multiple layers of shielding. This ensures that no harmful radiation escapes, making it incredibly safe for everyday use. The nuclear material used is carefully chosen for its long lifespan and energy density. Fed's innovative design ensures that the nuclear component is completely self-contained and poses no threat to users or the environment. Imagine the liberating feeling of never having to pay another electricity bill. That's the promise Fed's self-powered stove holds for millions across Africa. For communities burdened by unreliable grids, expensive energy tariffs, or lack of access altogether, this invention is a game changer. It's about more than just cooking. It's about empowering individuals and fostering economic growth. The financial implications are immense. Families can redirect funds previously allocated to electricity bills towards education, healthcare, or investing in their future. Small businesses, often crippled by energy costs, can thrive, creating jobs and stimulating local economies. The stove becomes a catalyst for economic empowerment, breaking the cycle of energy poverty. Energy independence translates to increased security and stability. No more worrying about blackouts disrupting daily life, businesses grinding to a halt, or hospitals struggling to provide critical care. This newfound energy freedom empowers individuals to pursue opportunities previously out of reach. Fed's invention has the potential to transform lives, uplift communities, and illuminate a brighter future for Africa. The ripple effects of Fed's invention extend far beyond individual households, touching upon the very fabric of African society. Economically, the self-powered stove has the potential to be a game changer. It can stimulate local manufacturing, create jobs, and reduce reliance on expensive energy imports. Imagine entire communities powered by locally produced, sustainable energy solutions. Socially, the impact is equally profound. Access to reliable energy empowers women, often disproportionately burdened by energy poverty. It improves educational outcomes for children, allowing them to study after dark and reach their full potential. Healthcare facilities can operate with greater efficiency and reach more patients, improving overall well-being. Environmentally, the stove offers a clean alternative to traditional biomass-based cooking methods, which contribute to deforestation and indoor air pollution. By utilizing a safe and contained nuclear power source, FED's invention reduces carbon emissions and promotes a healthier environment for all. The transformative potential of this technology is undeniable.
Another plane, I've been thinking, and I told myself that I have this hot plate of mine. This is a cooking stove, a portable cooking stove. I think some of you know, guys, we used to buy this. I just cut now this cable. This cable was going here, and then you plug to electricity. Okay, so now, since you know that I made a TV which doesn't use electricity, and I made a kettle, actually I turned the kettle, electric kettle, into non-electric. So even this one, that's the plan that I came with. Because now I realized that each and every electric equipment, I can turn it into non-electric. Okay, so as you can see, I did cut this off. I can just throw it away. I just wanted to show you guys that this was a cable that was coming here, electric cable, but now we're no longer going to use that. I can just throw it away. And then what I want to do here, this is switch, they're still working, these two. This is switch. I did not tune them off because they are the ones that are going to help us to switch on and off, on and off. This is not a new stuff, it's an old stuff that I have been using. Okay, and also it seems like it's a skew or something, I don't know the way it is, but it's fine. Whether it's skew or not, what I'm here for, or the aim, is to show you guys these elements when they are hot. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I want to show you guys. I made my lights today not too much bright, simple, because I want you guys to see these elements when they get hot. And also I think I will reduce them more, my lights, so that they cannot bring too much bright, because the brightness and these elements, why you can't see them, that they are red or what. You know that once these things are red, which means they are hot, and once these things are connected to power, normally it gets red. So that's what I want to do. I want to make them, I want to switch it on by my way. I bridged it. It's no longer working by electricity. Okay, it works by my way. So here we go, guys. As we have it, this switch are still going to help us to turn them on and off, reducing. I didn't change anything about the switch. They are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. These are steps of reducing and increasing the power capacity so that they can get much and much hotter. But as for me, I'll put them to maximum once, because my aim is for these elements to get hot so that you guys can see clearly that it works. Okay, so this is what we are here, guys, to do today. Now, instead of wasting times, first of all, I would like to appreciate all of you guys decided to make subscription to my TikTok channel. I really appreciate your donation, guys. I really appreciate that. I pray also that may God the Almighty bless you guys for what you have done to me. And also, not only that, I'm still going to make a live, as I promised, to speak to you guys, whether on YouTube or either in a TikTok, but I will do that so that I can appreciate you guys. I can thank you guys physically. And even you guys have not yet subscribed to my subscription on TikTok, please guys, there's a link down below of this video. Click on that link, it will take you to my subscription page. It's only $5 per month. Okay, thank you. I will really appreciate that if you can do that for me, because it helps me a lot on these visions of mine. I need your help, guys. That's why I did that. So okay, I really appreciate all of you, and then continue doing that, guys. Subscribe to my TikTok or subscription. Thank you. Okay, let's come back here now. Since it is like this, I was saying that this switch, I didn't change anything. You can still reduce the power, you can still increase the power, just the way it was working while it's plugged into electricity. I mean, I can't talk today. Yeah, so that's it. So as for my way now, what I want to do, as you can see, guys, here there's nothing or cable connected. This is my microphone. I hope you guys, if you are not new, you know it. If you are new, you have to know that this is my microphone. It's my cordless microphone that I use to capture sound with. You might think that this is the thing that makes the display hot. No, it's not the one. Okay, I'll put it right there so that it can capture sound for me. And then, okay, right here, I put this stuff. Anyway, just there is fine. Okay, now what I want to do here is to switch the things on. When I switch them on, you have to wait. They can't just go hot immediately or go red immediately. No, it's not like that. But you have to do what? You have to wait sometimes. Okay, so that's what we're about to do now. Watch the video to the end, guys, because this is not a joke, this is real. Okay, I think where this stuff is fine, or I can pick it up again for the last time, like this. What I did to this thing, guys, I changed some elements in it. Okay, some guys, they ask me that, oh, this nuclear things is not going to blast it and kill us. What? No. There's nothing is going to kill you, guys. Absolutely nothing that's going to kill you. This works just like electricity. Remember, electricity can kill us as well. But because they put a regulator, we can call it transformer or whatever, that thing, it works to regulate the power, the capacity, to reduce the capacity and give you to enough voltage, especially for your appliance. But if it was not about that thing, they just connected it directly to my appliance, they can burn everything, even the house can be burned. It's just like a nuclear product that I use to do this thing. Some of them say, there's gonna be cancer, there's gonna be you know what, guys, I know everything when it starts, there are a lot of speech, people they talk, they keep saying that and that. This thing doesn't harm anyone by any way. It's harmless. This thing, it just uses a regulator. You regulate the power that you want to use on it. You use it just the way you use electricity. Nothing like it's going to blast it, because the nuclear is used for bombs to blast it. So which means it's going to blast it? No. This is not for that. So no doubt of that. Okay, let's put it right here, guys. Anywhere, right here is fine. As close as possible to the camera. Okay, now what will you do? You just come here. I stand aside so that you guys can see clearly. I don't want to come here, maybe you don't see what I'm doing. That's why I come aside like this, and then I just do this. Yeah, when it's like that, I was turning it, and now I turn it on, and even this side as well. Yeah, we have to hear that sound. Now it's on. Both sides now they are on. What we have to do, we just have to wait. Wait just for this thing to get hot. What I want to do now, I want to turn off. Actually, not off. I want to reduce my lights, because they might bring too much light that you can't see. And then we wait. Okay? Oh, anyway, even if I don't do that, let us just, I don't want to interrupt anything, guys. I want to leave it just the way it is, because you might think that, okay, this reducing light of his, it made we don't see what's going on. As you can see, the cable is that side. That cable has been cut, so which means no more electricity working here. This is my way, which means, guys, I can change any appliance which uses electricity to what? To non-electric. Okay, watch the video to the end. As you can see now, the elements, they're starting coming red. They're starting coming red. It's just, I mean, I can't talk today. It's just that I don't want to leave this place where I am right now, because you guys might think that I went there, I did something or whatever. No, I don't want to do that. I want to be right here until, as you can see now, it starts coming red. Now I think you can see now that this thing is working. So this is it, guys. This is it, no doubt. Any appliance, any electric, I can turn it still to what? To non-electric. Confirmed. I didn't go and buy new hot plate. I just used the old hot plate like this, just for demonstration. Okay, but what I will do next time, I will go buy new thing that I unbox it, because this I was just testing. I will unbox it.
In a world saturated with incremental technological advancements, FED's invention stands apart as a true revolution. While some companies focus on making existing technologies slightly more efficient or aesthetically pleasing, FED is tackling the root of the problem: our dependence on centralized, often unsustainable energy grids. This isn't about making a better stove, it's about reimagining energy generation and consumption entirely. Consider the recent trend of smart appliances. While these offer conveniences like remote control and automated features, they still rely on the grid for power. They represent an evolution, not a revolution. Fed's self-powered stove, on the other hand, disrupts the status quo. It liberates users from the constraints of traditional energy infrastructure, offering a glimpse into a future where power is decentralized and accessible to all. This radical approach is precisely what sets Fed apart. He's not interested in following trends or seeking validation from established tech giants. His focus remains firmly on solving real-world problems faced by communities often overlooked by the mainstream tech industry. As with any groundbreaking invention, Fed's self-powered stove is bound to be met with skepticism. Some may question its feasibility, while others might raise concerns about the safety of using nuclear power in a domestic setting. It's understandable. Challenging deeply ingrained beliefs and disrupting established industries often invites resistance. However, Fed remains undeterred, armed with a potent combination of scientific rigor and unwavering determination. He's meticulously documented every step of his research and development process, making his findings publicly available for scrutiny. His transparency is a testament to his confidence in the technology and his commitment to open-source innovation. He understands that addressing concerns and engaging in constructive dialogue is crucial to fostering trust and driving adoption. The safety of the nuclear component is paramount. Fed has gone to great lengths to ensure that the stove meets the highest safety standards. The nuclear material is securely contained within multiple layers of shielding, preventing any leakage or exposure. The design has undergone rigorous testing and has been independently verified to pose no threat to users or the environment. Fed's determination is fueled by a deep-seated belief in the transformative power of his invention. Fed's journey into the world of invention didn't begin with the self-powered stove. It's merely the latest chapter in a remarkable story of innovation. Years ago, he garnered attention for developing a self-powered television, utilizing a similar combination of thermoelectric generators and a miniaturized nuclear power source. This groundbreaking invention demonstrated his ability to think outside the box and challenge conventional approaches to energy consumption. The success of the self-powered television solidified Fed's belief in the potential of decentralized, sustainable energy solutions. It emboldened him to tackle even more ambitious projects, leading him to develop the self-powered stove. Each invention builds upon the knowledge and experience gained from the previous one, showcasing a continuous cycle of innovation. The parallels between the two inventions are striking. Both demonstrate Fed's mastery of thermoelectric generation and his ability to safely harness the power of miniaturized nuclear sources. Both challenge the reliance on centralized energy grids and empower individuals with greater control over their energy consumption. The self-powered stove represents a natural progression in Fed's journey as an inventor. His story serves as an inspiration to aspiring innovators, demonstrating that with determination, creativity, and a deep-seated desire to make a difference, extraordinary things are possible. Fed's story is ultimately one of hope. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of innovation that burns brightly in Africa, often overlooked or underestimated. His inventions offer a glimpse into a future where energy independence empowers individuals, strengthens communities, and fuels sustainable development. The impact of his work extends far beyond the realm of technology. It challenges preconceived notions about where innovation originates and who drives progress. It's a powerful reminder that solutions to global challenges can emerge from unexpected corners of the world. The journey ahead won't be without its obstacles. Skepticism, regulatory hurdles, and access to funding will present ongoing challenges, but Fed's unwavering determination, combined with the growing global awareness of his work, provides reason for optimism. It's time to embrace and support the wave of innovation sweeping across Africa. By investing in homegrown talent, fostering an environment conducive to innovation, and celebrating the ingenuity emerging from the continent, we can help ignite a brighter future for Africa and the world.